Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So friends, I'm going to share a very interesting story. I hope you will definitely like this story. So without further delay, let's begin. You know, long ago, surrounded by green fields, dusty road, lived a donkey named Bruno. Bruno had nothing, but you know, he was old and weak. He had nothing. He was not fastest and not strongest as before, but he had purpose and patience. He was keep working for his master. Every day he wakes up early in the morning, carries heavy loads on his back, and walks walks towards the market from the village. In every situation, through the heat, through the rain, and every situation he carries load. And outside of the village lived a crow named Kyle. He was very sharp and clever and quick, but he was not doing anything. He just mocks. He just mocks to others, and every day Bruno passed under that tree when Kyle says to Kyle says to Bruno, look this foolish donkey. He is weak, old, even then he carrying heavy loads, and he is working like servant, and every day he laughs on Bruno, and nearby animals also giggle on Bruno, but Bruno was noticing everything in his mind silently, but he was not replying to anyone. He was just keep walking, keep moving, and in this way, lots of time passed, but Kyle did not stop mocking and commenting on Bruno. And one day while walking on the road, a very young rabbit stopped. A very young rabbit stopped Bruno on the road and said, "Hey, listen carefully. Why don't you say anything to that Kyle? He every day he says so many negative things, comments on you, comments on your ugly face, comment your old age, and he he says you're weak, you're working like servant, you carry load for others. Why don't you say anything to him?" Then Bruno Bruno looked at a rabbit, tired with calm eyes, and said, "Listen carefully. And first tell me, have he ever worked for anyone? Have he ever helped others? Or 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 have he ever moved a single stone from others' path? Tell me." Then Rabbit said, "No, he never did this." Then Bruno replied, "Then why will I follow him? Why will I listen to him? And why will I worried about them? Let them laugh and let them mock." And in this way he said, if he never cared about anything, never helped to anyone, then why will I listen to him? What will happen? Let me do my work, and slowly he carries his load on his back again and walks towards the market. In this way, he was keep working, but Kyle continuously mocking on him and laughing. In this way, weeks passed, months passed, and slowly few years passed like this. And one day, and slowly something unexpected happened. You know what? One day, what happened? Bruno earned a lot, a warm, stable, good food, good health, and so many praises from others. You know how? One day, Bruno's master said publicly while standing on his gate and said, "Listen, my beloved villagers, whatever you see today, a good farm, a healthy life, good home, and whatever I have today, everything because of this old Bruno, this old donkey, and in this way, because of that, I am able to help to you. I am able to help you. Say what you want to me, I'll give you." In this way, villagers started praising that Bruno a lot. In this way, Bruno earned so many things, so many praises from others. Slowly, villagers started respecting him, and not only villagers, but also another animals also started respecting him a lot because of his purpose, because of his hard work. And that Kyle, that day he feel ashamed on him. From that day he stopped, and he stopped mocking on him. Now he was silent. He 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 feels ashamed on him. In this way, Bruno became popular in the village. Master started take caring him a lot. He earned warm, stable, good food, and he had healthy life. So friends, we can learn from this story. We should never argue. We should never argue of negative things, negative comments. We should keep doing our work. We can earn lot if we will do our work continuously. So this was the story which I shared. We can You can also learn from this story a lot. No matter how old we are, how weak we are, or how ugly we are, if we keep doing our work, then we can earn a lot by doing hard work, patience, purpose. So we can learn from this donkey a lot. So right now my baby is playing. Want to see? Then see. See. So I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.